I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Ujala and I belong to Gosi. I'm learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I'm going to deliver a speech on don't compare yourself to anyone in life. I want to start my speech with some heart-touching lines. Don't compare yourself to anyone in life. You are the best as you are. A great creation of God is in itself the best. जीवन में कभी किसी से अपनी तुलना मत कीजिए. जीवन में कभी किसी से अपनी तुलना मत कीजिए. आप जैसे हैं सर्वश्रेष्ठ हैं. ईश्वर की हर रचना अपने आप में सर्वोत्तम है. Why we shouldn't compare ourselves to others? We all do it. Comparing ourselves to one another is just a